How to turn off startup apps on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do too many apps open automatically when you start your Mac? Startup apps can slow down your login process and use valuable system resources. So, I'll show you how to turn off startup apps on your Mac in just few simple steps. So, you'll need to head over to System Settings, and then you need to go to the General tab and click on Login Items and Extensions. So here at the very top, you will find the list of apps that launch automatically when you sign in. So select the app that you want to disable and then click on the minus button below the list, and as you can see, it disappears. This means that the startup app has been successfully turned off. This can help speed up startup time, reduce resource uses, and keep your Mac running smoothly. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.